Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to create Zoom meeting registrant on FlexiFunnels purchase. So I'm a coding teacher and I'm selling my courses through FlexiFunnels. Now what I want to do is that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels for my course, then automatically by using all the detail of the purchase and my customer, I want to create a new registrant in my Zoom meeting. So here I want to do this automatically, and for that I need to build a connection between FlexiFunnels and Zoom. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing software for automation and integration. Now with Pabbly Connect, whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase through FlexiFunnels, then automatically I will create a new registration or I will create a new registrant in my Zoom meeting. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can create Zoom meeting registrant on FlexiFunnels purchase. So I am an online coding teacher and I host multiple live webinars and workshops on Zoom. So by integrating FlexiFunnels with Zoom, I can automatically add every attendee who makes a purchase on my funnel to the relevant Zoom session. So this will ensure that no one misses out on the meeting links and streamline the process of managing registrations, and also it will be allowing me to focus on delivering the event rather than handling administrative tasks. So here what I want to do is I want to build an automation and integration between FlexiFunnels and Zoom, and with this automation I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase for any of my course, then automatically by using all the detail of that purchase I can automatically create a new registration or I can add the registrant in my Zoom meeting. So here for setting up this automation and for building this connection between FlexiFunnels and Zoom, I need to use Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, I can build this connection without any coding and programming skills. And here for using Pabbly Connect, I just need to open a new tab. And here I need to search for pabbly.com/connect in my browser. And it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the landing page, I have these two options of sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you can just click on this sign up for free button and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 free tasks every month. Or if you already have an account or you are an existing user, then you can just click on sign in. And you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I just need to click on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And it will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now here in the dashboard, what I need to do is I need to create a new workflow, and for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button and this window will pop up. Now here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to create Zoom meeting registrant on FlexiFunnels purchase. Now I need to select the folder where I want to save my workflow, so I'm going to open this tab, and here in this tab I'll find all the folders that I have in my Pabbly Connect account. And I'm going to use this particular folder of automation. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. And here in this window, I have these two boxes of trigger and action. So trigger and action are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action is just going to follow that. So here in my workflow, I can only set up single triggers tab and multiple actions tabs. So here first I need to set up my trigger, and here for setting up my trigger, I need to search for my trigger application. And here my trigger application is going to be FlexiFunnels. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select FlexiFunnels here. Now I have to give my trigger event, so I'm going to open this tab and new purchase is going to be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect in my workflow, and for that I need to use this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to work as a bridge between FlexiFunnels and Pabbly Connect. Now for connecting these two applications, I need to follow all these instructions, and first I need to copy this webhook URL. And now by using this webhook URL, I'm going to get all the detail of my purchase from FlexiFunnels. Now I'm going to take you to my FlexiFunnels account. And here on FlexiFunnels, I'm on my product section where I have all these products. So here I'm going to use this particular product of PHP programming. So I'm going to click on this edit button. And now in this, I'm going to go to set rules. And here I need to set a new product rule. So I'm going to click on this set product rules button. And I need to first select when. So here in the when tab, I need to select product is purchased. And for the other tab, I need to use for all pricing options. Now I need to fill my use option. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select webhook here. Now first I have to give my webhook name. So I'm going to name it as Pabbly. And now here I have this tab of webhook URL. So here in this tab, I'm going to add the webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now with this webhook URL, whenever I'm going to get a new purchase for my product from FlexiFunnels, then the detail of that purchase will be automatically sent to Pabbly Connect. Now that I have added all my required details, I'm going to click on save. And here I have successfully set up my webhook and have connected FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. Now here in Pabbly Connect, we can see it is waiting for webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I need to create a new purchase of my product from FlexiFunnels. And as I will create a new sale or a new purchase, then automatically I'm going to get that detail here in Pabbly Connect. So here for creating a new purchase, I'm going to take you to my sale page of my product. And here this is my sale page of my product of PHP programming. Now I'm going to click on buy now. And here I need to fill all these details. So first I'm going to give the first name, that is going to be demo. My last name is going to be user. Email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com. Also I'm going to give a random phone number. Now I'm going to give the address, that will be Old Street. City will be Bhopal. Also I'm going to give the state, that will be Madhya Pradesh. And I'm going to give a random zip code and I need to select my country. So here my country is going to be India. So I'm going to select that. And now I'm going to give the card details. So I'm going to give a test card number here. I'm going to give the random CVC and a random zip code. Now that I have filled all the required details and I have filled all the dummy details to create this purchase. So I'm going to complete my order here. And here we can see I have successfully created this new purchase and I have bought this product from FlexiFunnels. Now that I have created a new purchase, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So this is the response of my new purchase that I've created for my product of PHP programming. And also here we can see I have all these details of my purchase. So I have the random zip code, I have the state, that is Madhya Pradesh, I have my product title, that is PHP programming, I have my product ID, I have the price, that is 550 rupees. I have the random phone number of my customer. Also I have the first name, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. Email is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have my currency, that is INR, which is Indian rupees. I have the country, that is IN, which is the code for India. I have the city, that is Bhopal, and the address, that is Old Street. So here we can see that I have received all these details of my customer who has purchased my course from FlexiFunnels. And here we can see that as I purchased a new product in FlexiFunnels, then automatically I have received the detail of that purchase here in Pabbly Connect. Now in this response, I have all the detail of my customer. Now what I want to do is I want to use all these detail of my customer, and automatically by using all these detail, I want to create a new registrant for my Zoom meeting for my PHP course. So here for doing this automatically, I need to set up my actions tab. And here in my actions tab, I need to search for my action application, that is going to be Zoom. Now I'm going to select Zoom here. And here I need to give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And now here I need to first give my action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And here I need to search for my action event, that is for add meeting registrant. So I'm going to select that. And now I need to connect Zoom with Pabbly Connect in my workflow. So I'm going to click on connect. I'm going to click on add new connection. And here I need to click on connect with Zoom. Now here we can see I have successfully connected Zoom with Pabbly Connect as I have already logged into my Zoom account in my browser. So it has detected that and it has automatically connected Zoom with Pabbly Connect. Now I need to scroll down, and for creating a new registrant, I need to fill all these details. So here for creating a new registrant, what I need to do is I need to first select my meeting. And here for selecting my meeting, I need to take you to my Zoom account. And in Zoom account, I have all these meetings. And here I have this particular meeting of PHP programming classes. So in this particular meeting, I'm going to create all my registrants that I'm going to receive as a purchase from FlexiFunnels. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. And for selecting my meeting, I need to open this tab. And here I need to scroll down. And here in this tab, I'll find all the meetings that I have in my Zoom account. And in this, I need to select my meeting that I want to use for creating new registrations. So I'm going to select this meeting of PHP programming classes. And now I need to fill all these details. So here I need to fill all the detail of my registrant, and for filling out all these detail, I'm going to use all the response of FlexiFunnel, and from that response I'm going to get all my detail of customer, and I'm going to map those detail of the customer as a registrant in all these tabs. So for that I need to use mapping, and what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I'm going to open this response of FlexiFunnels, and here first I need to map the email address of my registrant. So this is the email address, so I'm going to map this. Now similarly I have to give the first name and the last name, so I'm going to click here. I'm going to again open this response of FlexiFunnels, and here this is the first name, so I'm going to map this. Similarly I'm going to map the last name, and now I have to give the address, so I'm going to map that too. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response of FlexiFunnels, and here this is the address, so I'm going to map this. Now I'm going to map the city. I'm going to give the country. Here I have to map the country code, so this is my country code, so I'm going to map that. Now I'm going to give the random zip code. I can also give the state. I'm going to map the phone number. And now we can see I have filled all the required details. So these are all the details that I've received of my purchase from FlexiFunnels, and I have mapped all these details here. Also here I have all these other tabs too, but I'm not going to fill all these details because these are not the required details, and also I'm not receiving all these details of my customer from FlexiFunnels response. So I have only mapped the required details and the details that I have received from my response of FlexiFunnel, and as I have mapped all these details, I have made all these details dynamic. Now what will happen is that every time I'm going to receive a new purchase of my course from FlexiFunnels, then automatically all these details that I have mapped here will get replaced with the new purchase detail in the real time. And every time I'm going to receive a new purchase from FlexiFunnel, then automatically I will create a new registrant for my Zoom meeting. Now that I've filled all the required details, I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have created a new registrant in my Zoom meeting, and I have created that registrant by using all the detail of my purchase that I have received from FlexiFunnels. So to check whether I've created a new registrant or not, let me take you to Zoom. And here in Zoom, this is my meeting of PHP programming classes. So I'm going to open this. And here in my meeting, I'm going to go to registration. And here in registration, we can see I have created this new registrants. So I'm going to click on this view button. And here we can see I've created this new registrant that is named as demo user. I have the email that is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And I have my registration date and time. So this is the registration date and time. So I'm going to open this registrant. And here these are all the details of my registrant that I have just created for my Zoom meeting. So here we can see that automatically by using all the detail of my purchase that I have received for my course from FlexiFunnel, then I have used all the detail of that purchase and my customer detail to create a new registrant in my Zoom meeting. So here I have done this automatically by setting up this automation between FlexiFunnels and Zoom. And now whenever I'm going to receive a new purchase from FlexiFunnels for my course, then automatically by using all the detail of that purchase and my customer, I will create a new registrant in my Zoom meeting. So here I have done this automatically, and by this I can manage all my customers and I can give them access for my course, and now they can automatically have all the detail of their classes. And here I've created this automation for the registration process. Now I have successfully connected and created this automation between FlexiFunnels and Zoom, and I have done this with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let me take you to Pabbly Connect. And here with Pabbly Connect, I have connected FlexiFunnels with Zoom to automatically create Zoom meeting registrant on FlexiFunnels purchase. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was FlexiFunnels, and my trigger event was new purchase. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was Zoom, and my action event was add meeting registrant. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this with Pabbly Connect. If you want to reach out to us, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any issues or queries related to our workflow, then you can check the forum link. And if you have any issues related to the pricing of Pabbly Connect or Pabbly, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.